Correlation matrices to reduce risk in your portfolio. In trading and investing, risk management is just as important as identifying opportunities. One powerful tool traders often overlook is the correlation matrix. At FXCM, we encourage traders to use correlation insights to avoid overexposure and build more resilient portfolios. 1. What is a correlation matrix? A correlation matrix is a table that shows how different assets move in relation to each other. The values range from -1 to +1. A correlation close to +1 means two assets move in the same direction. A correlation near -1 means they move in opposite directions. A value around 0 suggests little to no relationship. 2. Why correlation matters in trading. Many traders think they are diversifying simply by trading multiple assets. But if those assets are highly correlated, they may all rise or fall together. For example, EUR/USD and GBP/USD often move in similar directions because both are influenced by the US dollar. Without checking correlations, you may unknowingly double your risk. 3. Using correlation matrices with FXCM tools. FXCM provides advanced trading tools to help you access and interpret correlations in real time. By analyzing a correlation matrix, you can decide whether to hedge risk by adding negatively correlated assets, balance your portfolio by avoiding overlapping positions, spot opportunities when correlations break down unexpectedly. 4. Practical example. Imagine you're long on gold and also long on silver. Historically, these two assets are strongly correlated. If the metals market turns bearish, both trades could lose at the same time. Instead, you could reduce risk by pairing gold with an uncorrelated asset such as USD/JPY or even stock indices. Correlation matrices are more than just numbers on a table. They're a map of hidden relationships in the market. By incorporating them into your strategy with FXCM's trading tools, you can protect your capital, spread risk intelligently, and trade like a professional. Don't forget to subscribe to the FXCM YouTube channel for more trading insights and tutorials.